Wow, it's been amazing. You guys showed us so much love on our last video where we shared with you all the fact that our business, our blog, our company crossed over the six-figure mark last year. It was truly a moment for us, like, wow, we did it. Yeah. And for you all to show us so much love was, one, humbling, and two, eye-opening, because so many of you all left incredible comments like, you all are inspiring us. We want to start something. We have a message. There's something that we want to talk about. We want to create a blog too.
Yeah, and you know what, guys? Thank you all so much for all of the love and support. We actually want to bring you guys an amazing opportunity. So many of you guys are saying, Ty and Talent, I don't know how to start. I don't even know where to begin. I may have an idea. Some of you guys may have started, but really did not even set up your blog properly. Well, guys, we wanted to tell you all of an amazing opportunity called Build Your Blog Bootcamp. It is a free bootcamp that is happening on the 28th, guys, in just one more day.
Let's go. The clock is ticking.
Yeah, February 28th through March 4th. So you guys definitely want to take advantage. Click the link in the description box below or go to hisandhermoney.com/BYB. But in this group, guys, you all will find ourselves as well as some other amazing bloggers that we have featured here on our YouTube, as well as our podcast, as well as some of these people you probably already follow as well too. They'll be in the group helping everyone pretty much get started. So you're gonna learn the technical side. You're gonna literally learn how to set up your blog and publish your first post. Now, within this bootcamp, you'll get the videos, the trainings, and it's okay if you guys don't even really have an idea on what you wanna do. I would say definitely just get in, so at least you can kind of learn, you know, and see the ins and outs to blogging. And you may see, maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't, but you never know. And it's free, guys. So make sure that you guys go to hisandhermoney.com/BYB or click the link in the description box below.
This bootcamp is being led by our mentor in the blogging world, Ruth Soukup. And she has helped us immensely, so we know that she's going to help you immensely as well. As a matter of fact, for more details, stay tuned because she has a message just for you.
Hey there, my name is Ruth Soukup and I am the founder of Elite Blog Academy. Public enrollment for EBA will be opening up very soon and I hope that you are as excited as I am. After all, it only happens once a year. So my big question for you is this: are you ready? Or more importantly, is your blog ready? This year, my team and I thought that we would do something really fun and host a 5-day bootcamp to help you whip your blog into shape. So whether or not you are planning to join EBA this year, this intense and super fun 5-day bootcamp will help you take some quick but important steps towards creating the successful and profitable online business you've been dreaming of. Even if you haven't started your blog yet, we'll help you get set up and walk you through some of the basic tech issues that tend to frustrate newbies and get them off track. And if you have started your blog but don't yet feel like you're rocking it out, we'll help you troubleshoot a few of the areas that have been holding you back. You'll also get tons of support and direct feedback from our experienced EBA alumni, bloggers who have been through the process and are ready to dish out their advice. Basically, it is going to be a 5-day party for anyone who has a blog or has ever thought about starting one. In other words, you have got to be there. And the best part, it is completely free to join. All you need to do is click the button below this video to join, and we will send you the super secret invite to join the party. And I will see you there.
All right, guys, don't hesitate. Number one, it's free. Number two, Ruth is the bomb. She knows her stuff. Number three, you have access to an accountability group on Facebook where successful bloggers like ourselves and others will be answering your questions and helping you get your platform started.
That's right, and you also get tutorials and tools as well too. So if you guys are gonna join us and once they give you your access to the group, we want you guys to tag us, say, hi, Ty and Talent. Thanks so much for mentioning this to us, and I'm ready to get the party started.
All right, guys, don't hesitate. We're about to get this boot camp going. We
hope
to see you there.
Bye.
Peace.